when we create a new contract, we want to add that contract to a database. We would like to add all the information about the contract in the database. For that, we will use SQL integration. So let's first check the database. So this is our database. We have table name contract. So if you execute here, you will see that we only have two records. Okay, let's go to the SQL integration. So this is a rule. We have two rules. First is contract insert. So as you already know, we need to define the trigger. So our trigger will be when the document and the contract, the document class of the contract is in a contract workflow and in a state active. We will execute a query. So here we will define the connection string. We will execute a query. So our query is a store procedure. It can also be a query. And that store procedure has some parameters. And all these parameters are from our contract. Let me show you the contract. So all these parameters are from our contract. For example, contract name, we are sending as parameter name. Company is company from class contract, from object, and the parameter name is company, and so on. So you can either execute query or store procedure, and this store procedure has some parameters that we are defining here. Okay, and that's it. So let's create a new contract. Okay, new document. Contract. Okay, employment contract. Let's name it. Contract ID. Version. Let's make it start date today. End date. Year. Effective date today. Let's say it's fixed. Inactive day in a year or 5. And employee, let's put it our new person too that we created. Okay. Let's create. Has no content. Okay. Okay. Capture status, it's signed. Okay, so now our contract is active. Let's check our database. Okay, and it's in the database. So this server is in the cloud, and also our database is platform as a service, also in the cloud, and it's working seamlessly. So really quick, as you all saw. So now in the database we have our new contract here, and then if we need to integrate that with some other system, we can do it like through the database or in some other way.